Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video ang mga latest clips from SB19. So in one second longer, I'm really excited to watch this. So without further ado, let's start this video.
Boss nga'y akhel pakinggan, mga salita'y nakikipagsuntukan.
This is nakalakal. Oh my God, narinig ko na may bago silang kantang kalakal, pero hindi ko alam na. Kasi gusto ko gawan, lahat gumaya. Ito naging issue to eh. Pero based on sa pagkaintindi ko kasi dito, dinala kami, tapos lahat nagsigaya. Parang in a very positive way, na parang alam mo yung, yeah, they started, which is sila naman kasi talaga, they started the said P-pop group talaga sa Philippines, and then after that, marami nagsilabasan ng P-pop group, which is really good, because there are something like binuhay talaga ng SB19 ang P-pop group. And for me kasi, based on this statement ng SB19, or sa lyrics na to, parang sinabi talaga dito na parang, we are very thankful na sumunod kayo. We are very thankful na gumaya kayo. Something like that. Ganun yung ano sa akin yung tipong dating sa akin actually. Oh my God, ang ganda ng kanta. Plus the lyrics. Ano pa yung execution ni Stel dito? Ani Ken? Bobby, yung execution ni Ken ang hinihintay ko. May deep voice kaya siyang gagamitin dito. Oh, love that, Bobby. Oh, I love the lyrics, ha? In fairness, gusto ko yung lyrics. Ay, oh my God, Jam! Misteryoso by Cup of Joe. Ang ganda na kantang to. Siya nga pala talagang director nito. Nakaka-proud, no? Nakaka-proud lang. Ay, of course, Bobby. Si Bobby kahit bumubulo yung bibig niya, kahit bumubula yung bibig niya talaga na enunciate niya yung kanta ng lyrics. Oh, the deep voice of Ken. Eh, swag ni Josh dito. Sobrang swag ni Josh dito. Literal. Okay, what's next? Ito yung part. Oh, yes. Si Ja? Uy, grabe si Ja, no? Nag-rap na din pala talaga si Ja. Eh! Wow! Vocals! Vocals from Josh! Wow, the kalakal is giving! The kalakal is giving, seriously! Walang eme. Yes! Ken's part though. Yung part ni Ken. Ay, Tapos na. Kami mo nagsimula lahat. I love this part. Totoo naman. Totoo naman talaga. Totoo naman kasi talaga. What is this? The way other artists give respect to pop. Of course! This is G22, tama? Again, my favorites. Hanggang sa huli. My favorite part. Ay, ano na naman to? Pablo SB19, Vibe into the Music of XG. Ay, talaga? Ay, fan din sila ng SG? Okay. Yung nagpakan mo. I'm amazed that experience was one of the highest and one of the deepest voices among. Exactly. I couldn't agree more. Grabe. Grabe si Stel. Oh my God! Grabe si Stel. Okay, what's next? Grabe, ang deep. Sobrang deep, no? Okay, what's next? Ay! Yung kay Sandara Park to? Oo, ito yung kay Sandara Park. Okay, what's next? Grabe talaga yung deep voice dito. As in, Mamos, actually. Napanood na natin yun, guys. Ito na.
Mag-perform kami ng unreleased song.
Ay, gusto ko tong gawa ng reaction video in a different something like reaction video. So yeah, that's our for today's video, the SB19 TikTok compilation. This is KJ Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Bye.